Ukhozi umaphiko ogula amaphiko kwaye kwaphephezela omiyane inyoni nobuciko noMnu edweleni isibini nemafini icula ingoma emnandi ayahlukanisa unyaka omusha omdala inyoni enezigidigidi zabalandeli abayilandelayo zamemeza sezidondolozela zathi siyayazi le nyoni yayiculela okhokho bethu abanye abathule isibongo soKhozi FM sisibhalelwe isidadada sothu Ukhozi FM luhamba phambili.
Sikubingelele sikwamukele kuKhozi FM TV siyabonga ukuthi uphinde uhlale nathi. Igama lami nguNeliswa Cele. Mhlawumbe uyezwa kunemsinjana la ngikhona sisaza bukhoma eSugar Ray Xulu Stadium la eClermont. Mawungazi ukuthi kwenzakalani African Schools Football Championship izikole ezahlukahlukene emazweni aseAfrika. Sobona ukuthi ubani ozophuma phambili. Omunye kumuntu obamba iqhaza okwenzeni isiqiniseko ukuthi lo mcimbi lona lo mncintiswane ube impumelelo umzane uLuxolo September. Mawungazi ke ungumunye ophethe laphana kwezokusakaza nakwezokuxhumana ebholeni ezonikazi lonke laseAfrika iCAF kafushane. Sikubingelele sikwamukele kuKhozi FM TV.
Ngiyabulela ngethuba elithini ninike lona ukuba nikwazi ukuthi ndithethe nabaphulaphuli nabalaleli beKhozi FM. Ngiyajabulela kakhulu L2.
Kujabula thina manje ngihamba lana nami ngizobe sengithetha ngasakhulumi.
Balokhu naxa nifika apha eThekwini ndiyenzama ukukhuluma nawe ngoku funa xa uthetha nami ufuna ukuthetha ne
injalo
Ukhozi ayiso station saseThekwini kuphela ne I mean ngibonile manje yabona Eastern Cape mangisekhaya ne ndiyamamela Ukhozi ngoku xa ngisekhaya. So that means that ngoku well you've always been a radio station and a platform national. Who manje ngase TV? Manje TV ngithanda abantu umhlaba wonke ngoku. So not isixhosa next time.
Next time ngizobe sengithetha isixhosa.
Ngizokufundisa.
Lalela ngeke ngahletshela ukuthi awuvuthanda usikiya ngengoma. Iyiphi ingoma yamaskande ekhambela phambili right now?
Yazini. Actually yazi mina angimuntu music ne? Angithandi music really mina kakhulu ne? But I think maybe about 7 years ago, pure accident on a Saturday, ngangi scrolla kuma music show, drive nje yabona. And then I tried to cause in a cool show. Idlala emaskandi. And I'm like, second week mamele again. So I think about 7 years ago, it was lo music show usikiya ngengoma. Iyan introduce kumaskandi.
Wow.
Manje ngobe ngihlala beSouth Africa every Saturday bengiphula phula every Saturday bengiyazi ukuthi inqubo na abantu abaninzi banokuthi hayi you know Eastern Cape or umhlobo wenene unayo enye show same time ne but ingithanda indlela abayipresenta ngayo show i-conversational yonwabisa and ngiyayithanda also one thing bengi admire about the show ukubona indlela abantu abayi-embrace i-culture yabo through music. And ufonisa ukubana aba musicians bemaskandi ba big
kakhulu
and also ba successful.
Mina
into yenze ngiyithande isikiya ngengoma ukubona abantu be-commercialize i-culture yabo. Yinto enqabile leyo kuma-Afrika kuba kaloku thina sithi uze be-successful ufuneka usounde like Americans and ufuneka ucule ngendlela ethini. But naba abantu bebecula ngendlela yabo ngelanguage yabo ngerhythm yabo and they were able ukuthi babe successful commercially ngomnotho. So namhlanje actually bengiye for a run every morning mangise Coastal City I go for 10-kilometer run just to clear ingqondo yami. Engimamele ingoma kaShwi because uShwi ngiyamthanda ne. I know ukuthi abantu amaninzi bathi hayi umuntu wakudala but ipioneer ne
kakhulu
ipioneer osethe itone wabonisa abantu. So namhlanje bengimamele yazi ukuthi la ngoma ukuthi wafa yayabona
ngafa phela ubani
so ngiyithanda la ngoma kuba mangirana ne in a rhythm enayo. Of course bakhona I mean I know Khuzani ubig at the moment you know into encane izoperforma la ngomso is big Eastern Cape kubafana bakuthiwa ngamawele kaMamchawe ngiyabathanda kakhulu yabona. So yabona ukuthi ayonto lena engiyithetha the slogan I understand
uyizwa kahle. Asike sikhulume African Schools Football Championships ubona khamba kanjani mhlambe benibheke ephi nayo what was umqondo emva kwayo?
Uyazi abantu emhlabeni mina ngiyazi ukuthi into abayifunayo more than anything else ama opportunities and platform, because nobu talented kanjani ne-talente kanjani, if awufumana ama opportunities afumana ama platform, italent yakho izophelela eXhopo, izophelela eRichards Bay, izophelela eMkhomazi. But mawufumana ama platform ukuthi ube DJ or ube presenter kwi-platform ethile ukhule, because i-platform ikunika exposure ne. Without exposure mina ngwase Eastern Cape yabona, ngisuka ezilalini. So mawusuka ezilalini ungazange wabona beyond ilali yakho, ucinga ukuthi ama lights lies everything ebomini ne.
Yeah.
But manje mawudibana nabanye abantu abasuka kwezinye indawo, you start ukubona ukuthi umhlaba umkhulu mos.
Yes.
Lena lithuba labantu ukuthi baphuphe amaphupha. And ukuphupha nje not uphupha ukukulala, noma sina maphupha sina ngokulala, no, ukuphupha kokubona kude.
Yeah.
So lena i-platform ukuthi abafana abasuka e-Edendale bakwazi ukudlala nabafana abasuka eMorocco, abasuka eAlgeria, abasuka eMalawi. Manje labafana abadlala lapha nabantomazana abadlala lapha under 15, ubomi babo will never be the same. I-exposure will be different.
Yeah.
Because bathathe umuntu osuka about 10,000 kilometers. Lena i-program e-introduce upresident wethu uDr Patrice Motsepe, umuntu esimaziyo ke thina ukuthi umuntu okuthanda eyinakele i-development yabantu. Yini umuntu oyi-understandayo i-investment nama processes e-investment. Ukuthi ukuze ube successful funeka uinveste entweni ebomini. Ejabulela ke le into abantu ngibona abantu balapha ukuthi bayi-understanda, and sithema sifike eCAF 2 years ago. Amanamanis beyazi ukuthi ingxaki ezikhoyo kwe-African football. Ngibona ngoku ngikhula i-grey hair. Ngisemncane yona nema grey hair. Ukuthi inkinga ziningi.
Yeah.
Sisombula njani inkinga zethu? Ingxaki zethu sisombula njani? Not by slogans. Not by social media. You know, thina ukuthi if you are Twitter or Instagram and activists, but that's also fine yabona. But wenzani? Ukutshintsha impilo yakho, ukutshintsha impilo yabanye abantu. Ukuthi mawufumana ithuba lokuthi ube inkokheli, ungabe inkokheli ejonge wena. Ejonge i-future beyond wena. That's what we are doing ngalento lesiyenzayo lapha. Amaskolo ay 20,000. Amazwe ay 41.
Sure.
Abantwana abay 500,000 from the continent yase-Africa. Mase sithi Africa is rising. Asithi Africa is rising ama slogan. Siyibonisa investment. So siyabonga ku-Motsepe Foundation into yafaka 180 million rands.
Sure.
Kule project. CAF sijonge kakhulu indaba ye-development. Siyayibongela ukuthi kukhona ama programs aba young referees program, young reporters program. Kukho abantu abazofana nawe, abazofana nabo Kerosha abalala, Thato Moweng nabanye. Because ebomini mina ngiyabelieve ukuthi ukuze ube successful funeka ube nama symbols. Ukhula kwami mina bengifuna nje uqhawula isandla sika Dr Khoza. Ngicela ngifuna umbona udibana le ngiqhawule nje isandla nje. Yabona? That's all I ever wanted ebomini mina. So without ama symbols, ama dreams akho I want to target in my view. Because i-symbol ikunika ukuthi yabona ubani ngizofana naye yazi ngizomgqitha.
Ngifisa ukuzwa njengoba usuqalile ukukhuluma nge-development nokukhuliswa komdlalo webhola, ezokusakaza, TV, radio, amaphephandaba bamamba liphi iqhaza ekukhuliseni umdlalo webhola?
Uyazi intatheli zase-Afrika zicinga ukuthi bona ukuze ube intatheli funeka ube uze i-story sibe ku-news funeka sibe negative. Ukuthi hayi you know if uza ne-story is positive kukhozi my so story leso.
Yeah.
Bring me something you know mina ngikhula ngangicinga ukuthi Paris akekho islums ne. Hayi you know baphana ama building amahle odwa lapha ya ngaphike eParis how. Nabo bana ama sharks.
Yeah.
Mara yikwe TV ne.
True.
But maybe vezi Africa. Ayala eThekwini la nine umhlanga nebhalito.
Yes.
Ngeke uyibone TV ni le. Ngabe funa uthetha ukhuluma ngeDurban ama big networks. I don't know by informal settlement yala eThekwini. Ayakhona.
Yeah.
This is Africa. But yini inda mina ngine consciousness because mina ngifunde uSteve kakhulu ukuthi yini into esiyenzayo ukutshintsha umqondo about thina. Because ufuna ukuthi intatheli zase-Afrika now zibought into this thing about themselves. If kukho into masixeke, mina ke nimamela intatheli zala eSouth Africa zikhuluma ngeleague yalapha. It's bad, it's terrible, ayibukeleki. Iyasilisa thina. Itshintsha abadlali ibathathe kwamashu ibenza ama-millionaires.
Sure. Yeah.
I-commercially viable. But every week mangifunda emaphephandaba, yini i-role ye-Ukhozi, yini i-role yeSolezwe.
Bese ngiza lapho ukuthi i-role yoKhozi ngibe selfish.
Yeah. So mina, but it's not just institution, eh?
Yeah.
Mina kudala ngayibona different yonke lento le. Ngisasebenza la. I used to say if ibhola yethu is the only thing is successful erana abantu abamnyama. You understand? In this country kukho i-perception ukuthi abantu abamnyama bakwazi ukuphatha. Ukuthi mephethe izinto bayamosha. But here's an interest abayithathe from nothing to a billion rand industry.
Sure.
Ekhoyo. Ma unomntana omncane ebuzo kanye umntana kowenu oyisister yakho ukuthi sisnet yayiphi into thina kuthiwa siyamosha nowamnyama iphi symbol yethu ukuthi sikhe sabuilda something uyakwazi ukubonisa ibhola uthi jonga lapha yana they took it from the township bayenza a successful multi-billion rand industry but because sine inferiority complex nowamnyama yini i-role yoKhozi i-platform yabantu aba 8 million.
Yeah.
Mawune platform yabantu aba 8 million awukwazi ukudlala igqom qha noma sikhande qha.
Yeah.
Yini indlela o engage nabantu abancane nabantu bakithi nina nabantu nile platform ukuthi bacinge differently about themselves. Mina indlela engiyibonileyo mina ngisakhulile Eastern Cape ngathi mina I've always wanted to be international. Yabona?
Yeah.
That was all I ever wanted ebomini bami. Na ifumana no chance na 23 years old. Then it gave me a chance kusebenzela iFIFA ukuthi ngabona ukuthi man ikhona inkinga ngathi. So you cannot noba awuzwani nesinqumo okanye nezinto ezenzeka uKhozi awukwazi ukukhuluma ngendlela echisa ibuilding yeUkhozi.
True.
Because uKhozi siyayinida to sustain our lives commercially. It's umzekelo. It's the same thing nebhola.
Yeah.
Masikhuluma namantatheli zebhola ngibabuza ukuthi ndoda okanye sisi ubuild a industry for yourself.
Sure. Yeah. Phosimibuzo lana ngicabanga ukuthi
I'm sorry ukuthi ngikhuluma into eziningi ne. I'm sorry.
No need sikistingo. Ngicabanga ukuthi lembuzo kwesinye isikhathi as abantu abasebenza kwemedia asicabangi. Ngizophetha ngombuzo ukuthi lithini iphupho lakho masikhuluma ngesports nezokusakaza nokuthi isakazwa kanjani?
Yazi mina ngiyibona isport as a platform. Ngayibona isport mina ngiyibona as a 90 minutes or as a 60 minutes, yes.
Yeah.
Ngiyibona as a platform. I-platform yinto oyisebenzisayo to engage something. Bona manje it's popular into engagement yabantu. But ukuyicinga ukuthi what does it mean to engage and influence? Kuthi abantu zi-influencers, ne?
Yeah.
Ibhola is an organic influencer as a platform. But how can we use the platform organic to communicate the message of excellence amongst ourselves? Ukuthi manje masicinga umzekelo ne masicinga ngeArgentina. Asicinga ukuthi yazi iArgentina ihlupheka more than thina ne. But manje bekucinga ngeArgentina bathi ngifuna ubheka iArgentina.
Yeah.
Abayazi ukuthi eDurban inhle kune Argentina. But because kuki culture of excellence through sport.
Yeah.
Mina ke ngimamele makukho ama sport days. I'm sorry ama politicians but it's social cohesion. Yangikwatisa yakwata big time. Because that means that I understand. If football is the most popular sport. Umzekelo ne-AFCON is the biggest platform on African soil.
Yeah.
Ungaza no Beyonce la eAfrica 20 times. Ama audience yakhe will never be over 100 million.
Sure.
Combined, 20 times combined. Will never, ne? Imatch eyi-1 ye-AFCON ibukelwa ngabantu abayi 500 million.
Sure. abantu abaningi labo mhlawumbe ngicabanga ukuthi sekungena igoli mawuze ngathi ingoma ithi ukuphakama abantu bajabule kakhulu kodwa ke vele besisophetha naye umnomzane uLuxolo sibonge kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho lana emsakazweni Ukhozi sethemba ukuthi ngelinye ilanga sophinde sikwazi ukuthi sihlale nawe ngizobe sengithetha ke wena uzobe usukhuluma sishintshane
no mina ngiyazama ukukhuluma ne but mina ngifisa ukuthi mina nawe ngiba nawe in 5 years ungasahlelanga angideli Ukhozi ne
yeah
but ungasahlelanga nje kusitulo soukhozi uhleli kusitulo se-international platform
I receive
because manje if uyajonga awekho abasakazi eSouth Africa abasakazi besport aba-international
sure
if ungabacinga bonke abekho aba-international yini eyenza ukubana ube nehanga wena mawuhlangene nomfana osuke eEastern Cape at least wena usuke yawo usuke eThekwini iThekwini ihle Eastern Cape azilali you know uhlangene nomfana sezilalini oku international platform so mina ngivisa ukuthi ukunibuzile ukuthi yini iphupha lami na ukuthi ipresence yami I've been international football for 15 years
wow
ukuthi iphupha lami ukuthi ngubona abanye abantu abanjengawe abanesakhono bengahlelanga nje kuKhozi bengahlelanga nje SABC iphupha lakho engayibi SABC or SuperSport or I don't know yini into etrendayo how about CNN how about Sky how about Bein Sport so nginephupho ukuthi mina in 5 years manje kwenye platform nami angisuchaza indaba endiphi in 5 years bazangazi but nginamaphupho ukuthi mang interview nguwe ithethe nomuntu wasekhaya oku international platform
yeah siyathemba ukuthi ngempela kuyobe sekunjalo sibonge kakhulu but likes for your time sifisela inhlanhla for the rest of the tournament engathi ngahamba ngendlela enifisa ngayo
ngiyabonga kakhulu kuKhozi ngiyabonga kakhulu nakuwe nakubo bonke management yoKhozi abantu na SABC ku support local content and local content and international relevance
umzileke bekuyena laphana umnomzane Luxolo September uphethe ezokuxhumana kwezebhola
so thank you very much
bonga mina